Post-installation steps. Create HANA source system. The SAP HANA source system provides central and unified access to tables and views in the local SAP HANA database, and to sources that are provided using SAP HANA Smart Data Integration and SAP HANA Smart Data Access. Create a SAP HANA source system as per the steps described for the schemas, for example, SAP AID and _SYS_beak. You are in the BW Modeling Tools. In the Project Explorer view, right-click on Data Sources, then click on New, then select Source System. In the Editor area, the system opens the SAP GUI interface for creating a source system. Click Check button to continue. Click No to continue. On the Select Source System Type pop-up, choose Local SAP HANA Database, then choose the Transfer button. On the Create Source System pop-up, fill in the following fields: Logical System Name, Source System Name. Click the Check button to continue. On the SAP HANA Connection Parameters, maintain the following: Connection Type, Local SAP HANA Database Schema, Owner or Schema. Choose Apply button to continue. Source system was created successfully. In creating _SYS_beak schema, please repeat the same steps. Thank you for watching.